Oh man. Oh. I hope you love apples. Because let me do it really quick. These are all the Apple products that I have gotten over the years, and I feel like I wasted so much money. But we're an Apple family, and we all use apples. So let's get into it really quick. Let's go through. This is the, oh my gosh, here we go. Somebody priced this out for me too. This is a 13-inch high-performance notebook with Retina display, 2.7 gigahertz. Which Apple is this one? This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch. There you go. MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is the iPad Pro 10.5-inch 256 gigabyte version. I don't know what that was going for, but if you could price this out, I appreciate it. I got this stuff all when it was new. This is the 256 gigabyte iPad Pro 11-inch 3rd generation. This is some cases that we got. Still pretty pricey, so I should include them. There's the iPad Pro Smart Keyboard. For one iPad that we have, and then the iPad Magic Keyboard for the iPad Pro 11-inch. And it's dusty because it's all been sitting in my basement. This is the iPad 9th generation 64 gigabyte Wi-Fi Space Gray. Boom. Can't see it, it's just a box really. All right, let's get into some of this stuff. I think those are all the iPads, but here is the, because we have these on every TV in my house. Kids have them. 64 gigabyte Wi-Fi TV 4K. There we go, that one. Somebody priced this stuff out for me. These boxes look different. I feel like I have 3 different types, but okay, so here's another 4K HDR 32 gigabyte Apple TV. Okay, and then we have another one which is 4K HDR 64 gigabytes Apple TV. Looks a little different from the other one. Those are those. Now let's get into some, oh no, another iPad. iPad mini. This is the Wi-Fi cellular version, 16 gigabyte VZ. I guess it's Verizon. All right, let's get into, oh, another iPad. iPad mini, mini 2, Wi-Fi 16 gigabyte silver. So yeah, I appreciate if you guys price this stuff out. It's all, I got it all when it was new or on release date. So let's get into some iPhones. This is very interesting. Here we go. I'm gonna do this as fast as possible because there's so many of them. All right, this is, we've been through so many iPhones. iPhone 12 Pro Max Silver, 256 gigabyte. Bang. Another one. This is the 64 gigabyte iPhone 8. This is the 128 gigabyte iPhone 7. This is the 128 gigabyte iPhone 7. Ooh, another one. We were really into the 7s at a point. This is the iPhone 14, and this is 128 gigabytes. That one. There it is. This is the 64 gigabyte iPhone XR. Yeah. And this is the 64 gigabyte iPhone XR. Okay. Apparently we like those ones too. This is the iPhone 4S. The iPhone 4S. And how many gigabytes is in this one? Take a guess how many gigabytes in this iPhone 4S. 16 gigabytes. Wow, gotta love that. Ooh, we were really growing memory, huh? This is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I think this is what I'm using now, right? I don't remember which phone I'm up to. I know I got the latest one, but I don't know what is the latest one. 128 gigabytes iPhone 7 Plus. Okay. Nice box. Another black box. This is the 64 gigabyte iPhone 11 Pro. Not the Max, but the Pro. Actually, I remember that. I think I like that one a lot. I spent a lot of time with that one, yeah. This is the iPhone 12 USB. Ooh, see, USB-C. I guess they started getting USB-C about iPhone 12-ish time. This is a 64 gigabyte version. And here goes the 32 gigabyte iPhone 7. Ooh, I think that one was my daughter's. She loves that color right there. 256 gigabyte iPhone X, iPhone 10. I think this was one of mine, and I think I like that one a lot. Some of these are mine, some of these are my wife's, my daughter's, my son's. Like I said, we're an iPhone family, so an Apple family. This is an iPhone XR, 64 gigabyte. Someone's pricing this out. I appreciate it. This is the iPhone 12 mini and USB-C. Ooh, how many gigabytes is this? 64 gigabytes. 64 gigabytes. This is the iPhone 13. The iPhone 13 is 128 gigabytes. Pink. Ooh, they made pink phones. Some black boxes here. What do we got here? This is the 32 gigabyte iPhone 7. So I think we all had 7s at one point, all at the same time. This is the iPhone 13. This is 128 gigabytes. Let's get a little faster at this. Guys, gals, and everyone in between. 256 gigabyte iPhone 10. And this is 64 gigabyte iPhone 6 Plus. I don't know what color it was. Who cares, right? 64 gigabyte iPhone 6S. And this is rose gold. It's white, but it was rose gold. I guess those colors were appearing on the front. 64 gigabyte iPhone 8. iPhone 8. I'm sure there's a story behind why they don't put these colors in the front. Maybe they had share boxes for all of them. But yeah, that's a 64 gig iPhone 8. We're almost done with the iPhones and we'll move on. iPhone 6S. Price this out for me if you could. 32 gigabyte iPhone 6S. And yeah, apparently they gave you earpods at the time. Rose gold, 32 gigabytes. Right? 32 gigabytes. This is actually a nice looking phone, this one. I like the color on it. 64 gigabyte iPhone 11 with lightning connector. Ooh, okay. And we're almost done. We got 2 more left of the iPhones. This is the iPhone 5S. Ooh, guess how many gigabytes this came with? 16 gigabytes on this iPhone 5S Gold. Ooh, that's golden. This is a 64 gigabytes iPhone 6. Oh, and it looks like they came with earpods. I'm just kind of looking at some of that. So those are all the iPhones. Oh my, we are building up over here. Let's get through some of this other product here. AirPods. Oh, here we go. We have so many AirPods, and some of them died, and we got new ones. But AirPods Pro 6th generation with MagSafe technology, USB-C. AirPods Pro wireless, and they just say AirPods Pro. So that's that. What else do we have here? We've got. Let's not get to the watches just yet. I'm gonna deal with all these. Another AirPods, just AirPods. I guess this was the first generation of them. And another set of AirPods. Same thing, I guess first generation, lightning case. Another set of AirPods Pro. This is the Pro one, the 2nd generation. We all have AirPods. I'm talking on them now. Not bad. AirPods Pro wireless charging case. I guess just the Pro. And I think I just found another set laying around in my house somewhere. This is the AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I remember we got a bunch of AirPods when we went to Puerto Rico, and all of us needed AirPods at the time because we all were going to be in an airplane. So we wanted to hear stuff. So I think the family got AirPods at the time. So that's why we have so many AirPods Pro, another one. Oh boy. Oh, I got this for my wife, which my daughter uses now. There's the HomePod Mini. Awesome device too. It sounds great. And it also takes the temperature. There's a lot of different things. So let's move on to watches now. Oh gosh, we're almost done. We're almost done. This is the Apple Watch. I can't even tell you which one this is. The Apple Watch Band USB-C charging. So I guess it's one of the newer ones. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 2 49 millimeter titanium blue Alpine loop. I think that's I have a titanium version, but I also use the Apple Watch Zero, the very first one, because it's just the first one and it still works perfect. What do we got here? Another Apple Watch. This is the Apple Watch. I couldn't even tell you which one this is. It's just Apple Watch. I don't know. This one might be the Zero. Yeah, it's just plain box, doesn't have anything on it, just says Apple Watch. So this might be, oh, it's Dusty. This might be for that one. Then we have another one, Apple Watch, and I think this is it's model A1554. So if y'all tell me what that is, it still has the plastic on it too. And I'm hoping it's for this, because I do want the original box for this original watch. And yeah, some of the Apple Watches just are absolute. The boxes are amazingly nice, heavy. This one's super heavy, and this is just the Apple Watch. And this is the 42 millimeter. I think this is S gray, all black, the sport. So, and it's so heavy because it's got like a case on it. And this time they actually gave you a solid case to put your whole thing in, and that was very nice. We were cared for. I bet there's a bunch of stickers in these things that I just never used. Then we have another one, the same thing, like this guy. This is probably his and hers, my wife and my edition. But this is the Apple Watch 38 millimeter. Lavender Sport, and I don't know what model, 1553. Yeah, me and my wife bought another set of Apple Watches, and one box is a little longer than the other. So, oh, and there they go, the 32 millimeter, 7000 series gold, and the 7000 series space gray. Yeah, 42 million, 38 millimeter. Yeah, me and my wife just got those at the same exact time. So then we got another Apple Watch Series 3. Series 3, I don't think if this is my daughter's or what, but that's another Apple Watch, and they stopped putting the, oh yeah, they put it on the side of the box. The 38 millimeter silver aluminum sport band white. Another Apple Watch here. This one is the Apple Watch SE with the midnight aluminum case, 40 millimeter, and it's the midnight sport band. So yeah, they no longer put the image on the side of the box. And what do we have here? Some accessories. We have the pencil, the original pencil, the first generation, which came with the lightning connector. And then we have the second generation, which is just attaches to it with magnetics for the Apple, for the Magic, the iPads. And then the Magic Mouse 2, which I use with my MacBook Pro. And accessories. I can't believe I have these boxes, but the EarPods lightning connector. I mean, geez, who actually bought one of these? I did. And a USB-C to lightning adapter. I may have got like 5 or 6 of those and threw them away. And then I got a bunch of these air tags, which I must have like 15 of these just everywhere laying around. Well, these are all the Apple products. Please price them out and tell me how much money I've wasted on the Apple product my entire life. And I'm sure I bought a lot more Apple products than this, but these are the boxes I held on to. Well, there it is. Subscribe so this way I can know if you can price this stuff out and send it to me. Wow.